Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to probably what I consider one of the most picturesque parkruns in South Australia, the Myponga Reservoir parkrun. And the reason I know it is one of the most picturesque one is because I have actually done this one before. It's absolutely beautiful. But I'm back here filming it again because as part of the Southern Athletics Club Parkrun Takeover, we are filling all the volunteer roles here at Myponga Reservoir today. We're going to be supporting the community, giving back a little bit. I'm being a little greedy, I'm not volunteering as such, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear a shark onesie. I'm going to run it because that's our mascot. The shark is the mascot. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to go get changed into a different costume and I'll see you guys all at the start line. Reservoir right there. I can't really see it. Got a shark head in the way. Alright, so across the 1K mark, very sweaty. It's quite a warm morning. Plenty of kangaroos around. Hopefully we'll see some more. Look at that, my head fell off. How beautiful was that? Absolutely amazing. Very, very lucky. So it's this bit up here that sucks for a little bit because there's lots of hills. Now, good little fun fact is that the shark's natural sport is not running. Rather be in the water right now.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's
Fishing sequence here is absolutely unreal. Such a sight. So, shark head back on. Let's do it.
And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got...
Guys, that's Myponga Reservoir done in a onesie. I am so sweaty. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it inspired you to get out and give Parkrun a go and even come down to Myponga here because this is absolutely unreal. Anyway guys, I'm going to see the rest of the people across the finish line. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video.
I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Dollars on a dollar. we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that.